Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to rig and animate a model in RobloxStudio. First we need to select all parts that we want to have in our monster. After that, right-click and choose the option group as a model. Your model should contain a torso and a head, but that is not absolutely necessary. The next thing we want to do is start rigging. If you only want to animate your already rigged model, you can skip this part. For rigging your model, you will probably need a plugin. You can find these in the toolbox under plugins. Personally, I use the free Rig Edit plugin, but you can use whatever plugin you like. So after clicking on our plugin, a small box should pop up somewhere on your screen, then click on the model you want to rig. Somewhere in the box is a small text saying Create Joint, but before clicking it you need to select the right parts for it to make sense. For example, the upper leg and the lower leg, but attention, only two things should be selected. When you have selected your model, you can click Create Joint, which will connect the two marked parts. When you have done this with all your parts, you can continue, but keep in mind that if you do this step wrong, it will not work, and instead show an error when you try animating it, so you have to work very careful. But let's speed things up. Now, the next thing you want to do after the rigging process is add a humanoid into the model. This step is essential as you cannot animate a model without a humanoid. For inserting a humanoid, you just need to right-click the model in the Explorer and then search for humanoid. But before you can start animating, you have to check if your model contains parts that have the same name. If that is the case, simply rename these parts and the problem should be fixed. Now, if you didn't make any mistakes, you can go to Avatar, click on Animation Editor and then choose your rigged model. You can now choose a name for your animation, but this step is not necessary. When you start animating, you can do whatever you like. You just need to be aware that everything you do plays in a timeline, and you just put in keyframes. Keyframes are a save of what part should be when, where. So it basically means the part you move or rotate will move to the chosen place when you want it to. This can sometimes look a little weird because it moves too fast or too slow. In that case, just put the keyframes closer or further away. If you are finished with your animation, you should set your animation priority to movement. Click on Publish to Roblox. Then copy the ID of your animation, and that's pretty much it. You can now put it in a script and use it in your games. In the end, I can show you some finished animations of mine. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and have a great day.